Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can make a new Netflix account. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to go to your Safari or Chrome. Over here I've used Chrome, and then you want to go to Netflix. And mine is already logged in, but I want to log out, so I will just sign out of Netflix. And then I will go to netflix.com. So here is a option for sign in over here. So click on here, and then there is an option of new to Netflix, sign up now. So click on sign up now. Here you need to write a email address. So I am writing a email address. And then click on get started, and then you can finish setting up your account. So you need to add a password here. So then you need to choose a plan. So here is a premium, standard, basic, or mobile. So you can choose whichever you want. So there is also a devices your household can watch at the same time. So 4, 2, 1, and 1. So according to your needs, just click on the payment method, and then you can click on next. So your new Netflix is ready to use. So this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions, then please leave it on the drop box below. It's Millie signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.